Hey beauties, I'm back and I'm going to be doing a review on my 3D whitening strips from Crest that I got from my Influenster, which was absolutely for free. And if you guys haven't watched that video yet, go watch that on my channel. I'll link it down below. It tells you everything about Influenster and how I got this box for free, how a company sent it to me, and was absolutely free. Anybody can do Influenster, so if you want to learn more about Influencer, go watch that video. And so this is basically just my how does this work video. And I want to say it works really well. Like really good. You guys can't tell my teeth are whiter in this camera because my lighting is terrible and I'm kind of far away from you guys. But my teeth have going to be doing a blog about this product on my blog, which is Reaching Beyond the Point, and I'll have that link down below as well, but it won't be up yet because I want to do the blog when I have finished everything inside this box. And the reason why I haven't finished everything yet is because I did get one of the side effects of these whitening strips, which is really sensitive teeth. Like my teeth were so sensitive. Like I went like a week straight with using these suckers and my teeth were looking pearly white. They were looking good. And then I started realizing that it hurt to drink water. My teeth were just super sensitive for like everything. If it was hot, if it was cold, if it was room temperature, my teeth like were just so sensitive. And so I went onto Google and I researched, you know, side effects of whitening strips, and one of them, and it took me to the Crest page, and it says that you will have sensitive teeth, and ways to do that is, you know, to not stop using the product, but to use the product, sorry about my phone, but to use the product every other day. And so that's what I've been doing. So I've been using this product every other day. So instead of being a 20-day trial, it's going to turn into a 40-day trial. And so I'm halfway done with the box and my teeth do look pretty white and I'm pretty happy with them. And I haven't been having sensitive teeth ever since I've been switching from one day to no day to one day to no day. And so that has been helping a lot, and I recommend this to anybody. Like really, just go try this product. It's really good. I want to say thank you, Influencer, for sending this box to me and giving me these whitening strips. It's perfect for the holiday season. I'm going to look great in all my pictures I take with my family, and yeah, it's just really good. I recommend it to anybody. Seriously, guys, go try these out. And if you don't want to spend, I think, the 50 bucks that this costs, try the toothpaste. I have used the toothpaste before, and I really enjoy the toothpaste. It's really good. It's inexpensive, and you just brush your teeth with it every day. It doesn't happen as fast as you would like as the whitening. The whitening doesn't happen as fast as you would like, but it does happen with a gradual change with the toothpaste. So if you do want to whiten your teeth, go get the 3D White Crest toothpaste. It works just as well, but these are going to be a faster, more efficient way of whitening your teeth. And now I'm going to show you guys the strips. And so it comes in a package like this. And then on the very back, it has a picture, and so like the longer one is for your top teeth, obviously, and the bottom one is for your lower teeth. And it says for you to apply the bottom ones first, which makes sense because you don't want, it just makes sense because whenever you put it on, you don't want the strips to get stuck together. And so you put the bottom one first, and then you just squeeze your teeth to make sure it's securely on, because once I did not put it as tight as I would like, and it fell off and I couldn't reapply it because of my saliva. That sounds gross, but because of my saliva, it wouldn't stick anymore. And you apply it for 30 minutes a day, which is awesome. You could take a shower, I did my laundry, I cleaned up my room for 30 minutes, and it just goes by really fast, 30 minutes. And you do feel them when they're on, but they just feel like as if you were to wear a retainer. I've never worn a retainer, but I imagine the feeling to be the same thing. So, yeah, so like I said a million times already, go try this product. It is worth it, I promise you. And if you do get the side effect of sensitive teeth, maybe just switch it to every other day, or if this sensitivity still increases, maybe just do it a couple times a week using the whitening strips. Don't don't freak out if your teeth start to hurt and stuff. It's your gums. It's like your teeth aren't going to fall out or anything, so just don't freak out about it. And once again, guys, I got this box from Influenster. It was absolutely free, complimentary from Influenster. Anybody can become an influencer, and if you want to get an invite, just message me here on YouTube, or I will have the link to my YouTube email, and you guys can definitely email me through there, and I will send you an invitation. And Influenster is super awesome. I just got another email from them today that I'm receiving another box, and it's called the Cosmo box, I believe, if I remember correctly. So I'm super excited about that. I don't know exactly what's going to be in it, but you better bet I'm going to be doing an on-opening with you guys, because I love sharing everything with you guys. And if you've tried this 3D Crest White and you've had amazing results, or if you haven't had that most amazing results, please tell me about it. I like to hear a whole bunch of other things. And definitely go check out my blog here in the next few days, maybe a week from now, I don't know. But just go check it out so you can check on my 20-day or 40-day cycle of using these strips and how white my teeth have gotten. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a beauty-filled day.